Hi, and welcome to the Books channel. A great layout and typography can make reading a truly enjoyable experience. With Books, you get tons of flexibility. Our native reading app, NeoReader, handles reflowable formats like EPUB and Mobi with ease, offering both simple settings for casual readers and advanced customization for pros. Today, we'll show you how to set up your reading display for the best experience. It all starts with the Style tab in the main menu. The top row is Preset Themes, where you can switch between them. The second adjusts text size with presets, and you can double tap the figure to fine-tune it. Then fonts, title, and body can be set separately. Lastly, you can change the background color. All these features are available on our smaller devices. They're small, but they can do it all. For beginners, the basic settings are usually enough, but if you're looking for more detailed customization, Books offers plenty of options to suit your needs. Tap your current theme again to access the secondary menu. Let's say you are going to binge read a cozy mystery. Name it Cozy and select an elegant serif font. NeoReader provides a wide selection. And you can even import your own. Business, cute, vintage, or handwritten fonts, whatever you'd like. Here's a quick guide. First up, connect your books and computer to the same Wi-Fi. Then, open BooksDrop and type that URL into the browser. Go to Internal Storage, create a Fonts folder, click Send to Books, select your font files from your computer, and move them to the Fonts folder. Reopen NeoReader, and under Import, you'll see the new fonts. Or you can just use a USB-C cable to connect two devices and do the same thing. For fonts, we suggest always choosing the one that is easy to read and nice to look at, for a totally immersive read and for your eye comfort. Now, let's go back to our cozy theme. Next up, spacing. You can stick with our defaults or tweak word spacing and line spacing to your liking. Make it tighter or looser. Margin settings let you adjust all four sides. For example, if you need space for side notes, just expand one margin. Super convenient for scribbling. Then, the contrast settings. When reading content with pictures, these improve image clarity and enhance colors. Finally, in the Other tab, you'll find plenty of handy options. You can switch between simplified and traditional Chinese, change indentation and alignment, and adjust text orientation and hyphenation. If you're using a 10.3-inch or 13.3-inch device, you can enable dual page mode, making it feel like reading a real book. Once you've set up a reading theme, you can apply it to all your reflowable books with a single tap. No need to adjust the settings every time. Just one touch and every book will look exactly how you want it. Plus, NeoReader supports multiple formats, so you won't waste time converting files. Books enhances the reading experience, giving you the flexibility to customize it for maximum comfort and convenience. Hope this video was helpful. See you next time.